And in this part 34, we'll continue from where we stopped. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Choose the option that best completes the gap. And we stopped at question 81. In fact, I gave you question 81 to 85 as an assignment. And in this part 34, we'll begin with the answer to that assignment. Okay? That is 81 to 85. Let's start from 81. Western education, we are looking at the option that best completes. Best complete. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. A. Legacies. B. Evidences. C. Remnants. D. Inheritance. The answer is A. A. Western education is one of the legacies. 2. I hope you are paying attention. I want us to answer this assignment, then we enter into our work for today. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. A. Postulated. B. Projected. C. Prescribed. D. Proscribed. Let me take it again. 82. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. A. Postulated. B. Projected. C. Prescribed. D. Proscribed. The answer is proscribed. Proscribed. D. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. A. Complicated. B. Accused. C. Punished. D. Exonerated. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. A. Implicated. B. Accused. C. Punished. D. Exonerated. If his son confessed to his guilt, that means other people were now exonerated. Exonerated, they were told to go, that they did not commit any crime. Okay? Based on the facts before me, I want you to pay attention. If you watch this video till the end, I will give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question. And remember that what you are watching is part 34. Part 34. There have been other parts, several other parts and other videos. Based on the facts before me, I have no alternative than to that. Oh, based on the facts before me, I have no alternative dash to hold you responsible. Is it only to hold you responsible? B. As to hold you responsible. C. Than to hold you responsible. D. But the answer is C. I have no alternative than to hold you responsible. Than to hold you responsible. The answer to option '84. I have no alternative than to hold you responsible. Many people would always find reason to dash the law. Many people would always find reason to dash the law. A. Arrogate the law. B. Debase the law. C. Circumvent the law. D. Circumspect the law. Many people would always find reason to dash the law. A. Arrogate the law. B. Debase the law. C. Circumvent the law. D. Circumspect the law. The answer is simple. Many people will always find reason to circumvent the law. To circumvent the law. To circumvent the law. I want you to, this part 34. And we have done several other videos on use of English. So if I were you, I will get the videos we've done from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and all the rest. We have just few days to the JAMB exam, so we don't have any time to waste. Let's keep going. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we've done from part 1 on use of English to this part 34, you can ask me in the comment section and it could be yours. That is, if I am sure that you are serious, if I'm sure that you will not joke with it, if I'm sure that you are among the serious ones. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. A. Q. Q. A. Whoop. B. Hoot. C. Couple. D. Scout. What is the answer? 86. Q. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound. Is it hoop, hoop, couple and scout. The answer is B. 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 Indict. Vowel sound. Indict. That is this I. Is it bright or is it fish? Pick. Brick. The answer is A. Bright. Indict. Then bright. I hope you are following. Okay. We now move on. Okay. To question 88. Roared. Roared. That is roared. Then we have toward. We have coast. We have brought. We have rod. The answer is toward. Roared. Toward. So the answer is A. I hope you are following. If you are following, don't fail to let me know. And what you are watching is part 34. We have done several other videos. Remember that we have also done videos on use of English, on government, on literature, on economics, on chemistry, on biology, on physics. If you need me to also give you the link to the videos we've done on those subjects, just let me know so that you can become more serious as you prepare. Choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the underlined letter. So we are now looking at consonant sound. 89, sheet. Sheet. A. Is it bat? Is it length? Is it month? Is it path? The answer to question 89 is B. Sheet. Length. Sheath. Length. Okay, you know it's often confusing, but if you keep doing a lot more of practice, watching these practice questions, we do expo questions from part 1, you will get yourself scoring very high on use of English. Then we have high. High. We now have what? Honest. Who? Vehicle. The answer to question 90 is C. Who? High. Of course. Of, that is pluff. Do. Over. Often. Of course. We have pluff. We have do. We have often. Then we have C. It's actually C. Of course. Choose the option that rhymes with the given word. Choose the option that rhymes with the given word. A. Boys. Put your on rhymes. Stays. Moist. Noise. Elbows. We have boys. A. Stays. B. Moist. C. Noise. D. Elbows. The answer to question 82 is C. So we have boys and we have noise. 93, I mean, we have shine. Okay, I hope you are following. I hope you are paying attention. We have shine. The answer is it clean? Is it fine? Is it machine? Is it lane? Is it, remember, we have shine. Is it clean? Is it fine? Is it machine? Is it lane? The answer is B. Fine. Shine. Okay, it cannot be clean. Clean and shine doesn't rhyme together. It cannot be machine. Why this one is shine? It cannot be lane. Okay, it's fine. Shine. Then we have seer. A. Snare. B. Spare. C. Spear. D. Square. Is it seer? We have snare, spare, spear, then square. 94, the answer is C. Seer, spear. 95. Choose the most appropriate stress pattern from the options. The stress syllables are written in capital letter. the most appropriate stress pattern for A, 95, political. Political. Is it political? Is it political? Is it the appropriate stress for political is actually D. The stress for political is in the second syllable. Political. Satisfactory. Satisfactory. Where is the appropriate place to place the stress? Is it in the last syllable, in the second to the last, in the first syllable, or in the middle syllable? The right answer for 96 is satisfactory. So the answer is D. The answer is what? D. 97. Captivity. 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 We have stress in the last syllable, in the second to the last, in the middle syllable, and in the first syllable. So the answer is capti. It is in that TI in the middle. So the appropriate option is C. C. Remember, at the end of this video, I will give you free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question, and I want you to remain more serious with your preparation, right? We don't have time, okay? After part 34 you are watching, there is also part 35, and we'll keep moving that way. Now, look at this. The word in capital letter has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given relates. Emeka finished his homework. I always ask you this. Emeka finished his homework. Which one of the options is correct? Was Emeka helped to do his homework? Remember that the stress is Emeka. Did Emeka do his homework yesterday? When did Emeka finish his homework? Who finished his homework? The answer is Emeka finished his homework. So the appropriate answer is D. The appropriate answer is D, because D is asking who finished his homework and what is the stressed. The stressed one is Emeka. Okay, let's look at this question 99. Taiwo sailed to London. Taiwo sailed to London. And what is the stressed one? The stressed one is sailed. Did Taiwo fly to London? Did Taiwo sail to London? Did Taiwo sail to... Okay, did Taiwo sail to Brazil? Did Taiwo sail to London? Who did Taiwo sail to? Where did Taiwo sail to? The answer is... the answer is A. The answer is what? A. Because A is trying to say did Taiwo fly to Brazil, to London, and the stress pattern is sailed. Anything that is attacking or changing the stress one should be the answer. Okay, question 100. I want you to pay rapt attention. My bag is made of leather. I won't tell you the answer. You will tell me. It's an assignment. Question 100 is an assignment. My bag is made of leather. My bag is made of leather. A. Whose bag is made of leather? B. Is my bag made of polythene? C. Abu's bag made of leather? Is my bag made of leather? Let me ask again. My bag is made of leather, and leather is stressed. A. Whose bag is made of leather? B. Is my bag made of polythene? C. Abu's bag made of leather? D. Is my bag made of leather? Now, I want you to come under the comment section and tell me what you think is the answer to question 100. If you need me to give you free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question, remember there is part 35 after watching this. The thing you have to do, which is simple, is simply for you to, number one is compulsory. There are 4 things to do. Number one is join our YouTube channel, become a member. It's very crucial. Become a member of our YouTube channel. Number 2 is for you to, when you become a member, then like this video. When you like this video, share this video. When you share this video, then come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Remember that number one is compulsory. You must join our YouTube channel Once you have joined our YouTube channel, come under this, then like this video, share this video, share it here on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Telegram channels, and all the rest. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so immediately you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all the materials you need. There is a very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen, free of charge. Click on it now and watch.